can see how to update the firmware of your HMI device by using the TIA portal. Okay, you click on the HMI device in your project tree and go to the HMI device option and click on the update operating system. Okay, update operating system windows show, and you click on the start search button to find the device on the network on which you want to update your firmware. When TIA portal finds the device, how we can see, then you click on this device and then click on the button update, which starts the update window. Okay, click on the update. And here the Simatic Pro Save window open, and here you click on these three dots. Okay, first we click on the device status to see the device on the network, and then we click on these three dots, and here we insert the patch on your firmware for your HMI which you want to update, and then you click on the update OS button, read the intention and click on the yes. And now how you can see, the update is in the progress. Progress bar of update status you can see in the TIA portal and also on the HMI device. The length of the update of the HMI firmware is several minutes. Okay, when update is done, then you see OS update successful and the HMI device restart, and then wait for the transferring the project from your TIA portal project to the device, or for the backup which you have on the USB stick. Okay, that's all for this video where you see how to update your firmware of your HMI device. Thank you for watching and goodbye.